a few decades ago. If you wanted to find a document that matched the content of your text, you would have to compare every word in both texts. Nowadays, it is possible to find such a document without comparing every word in both texts with the help of some clever algorithms and data structures.
Learning better and faster.
earning.ai article review. Embedding similarity search. By Roman Kyslyi. Roman is AI and tech lead at Intellect EU. My name is Eva and I'm an editor at earning.ai. An example algorithm for approximate string matching is the Levenstein edit distance. This algorithm is for finding words that are similar to other words. If you want to find words that are similar to hello, you have to put in hello too. The algorithm will tell you how many letters you have to change in hello to make it match hello. The article helps us understand how things work and why it matters what libraries are used when making similarity queries. It also reviews different types of indexes used in approximate KNN similarity search and gives us some tips for choosing the best approach and index to store data for similarity search. Benchmarks show that as a dataset is smaller, the less difference is between the speed of work of different methods, but as a dataset is bigger, in general, we do not see any differences in performance. The code can be tried out with Google Colab. The link in the article. Searching for something similar is a key concept in many information retrieval systems, recommendation engines, synonyms searching. Basically everywhere, where exact search through the database is not an option. I found this article by Roman Kyslyi to be interesting and I suggest reading it yourself.
If you are willing to share some feedback, I would love to know it. Follow earning.ai publication on Medium. It's a state-of-the-art in machine learning. Link to the article in the description below. See you soon.